This is literally a mystery box. I got this box in today from Funky Bop. I have no idea. I didn't order it. I have no idea. Let's see what we got. So literally, this box, this pretty good sized box, came in from Funky Bop today. I did not order it. I have not ordered anything from them since beginning of December. It's the beginning of January. And everything that I ordered beginning of December came in already. Maybe this is a Christmas present. I don't know. So let's go open it up. Let's see what we got. I'm going to have to put it down, I guess, right here. We'll just leave it right here. Yeah, you can still see it. So let's go ahead and open this up. It has security closure tape, fragile on it. Let's see it. Make sure it's got. Oh, there's two boxes inside. Well, actually, there's 3 whole boxes of pops in here. Okay, this is going to be interesting. One, and that's pretty. This is odd. This is really odd. I have no idea. Well, this is going to be a longer video than I thought it was going to be. So, again, he always boxes things up really good. Sticker. One, two, three. You want to let's just unbox all the boxes because they all come like this. So we're just going to unbox them first. Let's just go ahead and unbox them. Put them out here. I have no clue. So what we got? We're going to have 9 different pops in this thing. One last box. Three more pops. One. And we'll check the value of these too. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's just put these over here. Oh. Whitney Houston. Whitney Houston. I bet you if you have one of those signed, you've probably got some decent money on your hands. Let's check the value of these as we go. We'll just total everything up at the end. Let's see. Whitney Houston. That's a $5 pop. I wonder if he just gave me a bunch of stuff that's junk. I don't know. Let's see. I'm putting it down on the ground beside me here. Homelander. You know, I think I saw the first episode of this show, The Boys. I've never seen anything after that. Let's see what we got here. Homelander is, that's not bad. That's a $34 pop. We'll make a little note here too. So Whitney was 5. Homelander was 34. That's pretty good. 34. Put him down there. I don't know. So anyway, hope you guys had a good holiday season. Squirtle from Pokemon. Squirtle. Squirtle the turtle. Let's see what Squirtle comes in at. Come on, work for me. He's got a marker of $11. What do you have on this last one? He didn't have a usually he'll put a little marker on the bottom. He has this as $11. We'll mark it at $11 for now. Squirtle was 11, so plus 11. Oh no, I hate these My Heroes. I hate them. I don't hate them because it's my hero. I hate them because I can never pronounce them. My prime example. Setuna? No, hold on. Setsuna Takaji. Hold on. Setsuna to Cage. Setsuna to Cage? Takaj? I'm probably way off. I don't care. I destroy these every time I do them. Make myself look like an idiot. I don't care. It's not bad. It's a $25 pop, though. I'm doing my pen. There it is. Not bad. Setsuna Takaja. Yeah, whatever. I butcher those all the time. All the frickin' time. Rick and Morty. Oh, it's Morty. I think we actually had Rick during Christmas. If I remember correctly. Morty. Let's see what Morty goes for. $11. Morty was 11, so plus 11. Oops. We're at $61 for, what was that, 5 pops so far? Or was that 6 pops? No, it's 5 pops. Oh, easy now, Greasy. Golly day. Dropping crap all over the place. What we got? Wakanda. Oh, this is Michonne's character. Is it? Oh, man, here's another one. I can't remember how they pronounce it in the show. Cannot pronounce it in the show. No, that's not Michonne's. Because she was a Koye, right? Wasn't she a Koye? What is this one? That's not Michonne's character, is it? The lady who played Michonne in Walking Dead? I think that's the other girl, but I can't remember how to pronounce her name. Ayo? I guess it's Ayo. Let's see. Let's get a price on that one too. It's a $9 pop plus 9. We're at $70. Three more left. We got Game of Thrones digital, NFT, 2,700 pieces. The many-faced Arya Stark. I've never seen Game of Thrones. I know people are like, oh, you've never seen Game of Thrones. Sorry. Walking Dead? Yes. Game of Thrones? No. Who we got? 3, 2, 1. Gollum. Now, I have seen every one of those several times. That's kind of a freaky looking one. It says 13 on the bottom. Plus 13. So we're at 83. That's a nice one. Not bad price. Everybody likes that show or series. Who we got last? We've got Slays. Never seen this one before. Team Titan Go. Slade. Is that like Deathstroke as a kid or something? NFT 1,800 pieces. I got the reflection of my sticker on there. That's 1,800 piece NFT. He doesn't have a price on that one. Let's look this one up. Woo! It's a $70 piece right there. Plus $70. Did I get the price of that one? 48. So this one was 48. I didn't get the price of that one. That one was 48. So $200 for 9 pops. Not bad. Maybe I ordered this. I don't remember ordering it. I really don't remember ordering it. But Funky Pop does well just as much as Pop King Paul. Funky Pop, they're a good company. I like the way they package their stuff. Everything comes in perfect, really nice, and it has variations on prices. You kind of really don't know what you're getting all the time. And he does things in categories too, which is kind of cool. So, but I would probably say that the best one out of this one would be, the best two out of would be the NFTs, of course. So those are our top two. This one was the top one. I think this one was like $70. I think that's what it was. But other than that, I thought it was a great box to open up as a surprise, not knowing what the crap I was getting. But other than that, you know the word of the year. Be bold. Be strong. Go out and have fun. We'll see you on the next one.